Did you know that the foreign exchange market is the largest financial market in the world, with an average daily trading volume exceeding $6 trillion? This staggering figure underscores the critical importance of understanding Forex in today's global economy. Many organizations struggle with currency risk management due to a lack of Forex expertise. This can lead to significant financial losses, missed opportunities in international markets, and an inability to effectively hedge against currency fluctuations. Without proper training, companies may find themselves vulnerable to sudden market shifts and unable to capitalize on favorable exchange rates. At a personal level, employees and teams often feel overwhelmed by the complexities of foreign exchange. They may lack confidence in making currency-related decisions, struggle to interpret market trends, or fail to recognize potential risks and opportunities. This can result in poor decision-making, inefficient processes, and a general sense of uncertainty when dealing with international transactions. This is where our comprehensive course steps in to bridge the knowledge gap. By providing in-depth training on Forex fundamentals, advanced trading strategies, and risk management techniques, the course equips both organizations and individuals with the tools they need to navigate the Forex market confidently. The benefits of this course are numerous. Participants will gain a solid understanding of currency pair dynamics, learn to analyze market trends, and develop skills in using Forex trading platforms. They'll also explore risk management strategies and discover how to leverage Forex knowledge for better financial planning and international business operations. For organizations, the impact of this training can be transformative. Companies will be better positioned to manage currency risks, optimize international cash flows, and make informed decisions in global markets. This can lead to improved financial performance, reduced losses from currency fluctuations, and enhanced competitiveness in the international arena. On a personal and team level, employees will experience a significant boost in confidence and competence. They'll be able to contribute more effectively to Forex-related decisions, streamline processes involving foreign currencies, and add value to their organizations through their newly acquired expertise. Teams will collaborate more efficiently on international projects, with a shared understanding of Forex principles and practices. Don't let the complexities of the Forex market hold your organization back. Empower your team with the knowledge and skills they need to thrive in the global financial landscape. Enroll in this certification course today and take the first step towards mastering the world of foreign exchange. Your journey to Forex proficiency starts here. Seize this opportunity to transform your approach to international finance and currency management.